Oh yeah, I've seen this movie before.
Mm-hmm. These are the elevators here at South Tampa Medical Center. Still original.
Definitely ride the other one. That one's badly going
One
away.
down? Which floor?
First floor.
First floor? Alrighty.
You should definitely ride the other one. That one's low on oil badly.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Go to.
Pin down?
Oh, looks like they're renovating the building.
You can hear it struggling from the other one. It's gonna go up again.
Yo, this is floor 1 right here.
Alright. Let's let them go. Alright, let's get the other car.
Yeah, I'm just doing it self-video to save the battery anytime I feel it too. So that way you just like merge into it.
Here it is.
Go right in.
Yep. What floor?
3.
Perfect.
Didn't do it that time.
Oh, it says Dover right here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, and this one has a Dover logo here.
Yep.
Nice common here in Florida.
Yeah, it actually says Dover, not Miami.
Yeah. Cat
This is weird too.
We're here with the Julian, we're here with the Riley.
Yep.
Yep.
Some elevators and Floridian elevators.
Oh, wait a minute, 227 now, but yeah. Alright.
Here we are on one.
If it was weird, we could take one ride and see if it actually does it, because sometimes like it goes like back and forth.
Looks like these are... Oh, no one's here. We can do it one more time.
Okay. I'm gonna end my take here just because I don't have a lot of storage, so.
Okay. If you'd like, we can call the other one from on the top floor. I think the machine room's actually on 3 for these. Believe it or not.
Oh.
Yep, it's low on oil.
Yep.
Just a little bit though, not a
It's
lot.
real. You know, difference. Oh yeah, there it is.
Yep,
It's the MR.
right there.
Hearing protection required.
I'm guessing because like you have more right amounts with the MR in.
This is
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah, it looks like they're doing lots of renovations here.
Yeah.
I have a feeling these aren't going to be here much longer.
It's funny that this is taped here.
And it's here. And we're gonna get off on 1.
Nothing one?
Yeah.
Baseball.
Here's your phone. Installed in 1991.
1991, very cool.
Yep.
And the other one just went up.
Alright, and we'll get off here.
Cool. Little beans.
That'll be it.